Ian is a noodle, mine's a computer, rhyming brutal. I'm too bomb to boot, sir, listen to my truths first. I noose, hearse, moose, purse, and booths hurt like a booth ache. Where's the fucking booth fairy? I'm goofy when I prove fake bloodsuckers blueberry. I am impaired like no boo Jerry. Sue on the doodad like motherfuckers. I'm too rad. Right pure love to puckers attached to Satan but directly. You nut injecting more happiness for him. He craps the rest or your rins in perhaps a chest and whirlwinds. I'm the manners kicking in, literally polluting the jaw alignment of the jigsaw vagina. I'm bananas but time's ticking and I'm making Lucifer look bad. You're all prostitutes loopy for books had. I read like I read it before I speed through greedy impedable medians like I sped y'all whipped under the floor. I'm 6 feet under the bed killing them asleep thunderous snore.